So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that rectangle ABCD has an area of 200 and an ellipse with area of 200 times pi passes through the point A and C and has foci at B and D. And let the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD is P, then we have to tell the value of 103.44 times P. So this is the problem. So let's see how we can solve this. So we have one rectangle which is A, B, C and D, and we have one ellipse which is this. So this ellipse passes through the point A and C and has foci at B and D. So this ellipse is passing through the point A and C and has foci B and D. So this is the major axis of the ellipse and these are the foci of the ellipse B and D. And we have to tell about the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD. So this rectangle ABCD has a perimeter P, so we have to find out the perimeter value. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, we know the opposite sides in the rectangle are equal. So this AB is equal to CD and this BC is equal to AD. So these opposite sides in the rectangle are equal, and in the problem it is given that the area of the rectangle ABCD is 200. So we can say that AB multiplied by AD, which is the area of the rectangle, we can say this value is 200 is given in the problem. So this information is given in the problem. AB multiplied by AD is 200, and we know the ellipse property. So these are the foci of the ellipse. So if there is any point on the ellipse and if you sum the distance of this AD and AB, this will be equal to 2 times A, which is the major axis of the ellipse. We know ellipse equation is this. So here this A corresponding to this A. So we know this AD plus AB distance is 2 times A. So second information we have this, and third information we know in the rectangle this angle is 90 degree. So we can write this BD square as AB square plus AD square. So this we can write from the right angle property, and we know the distance between the foci. This and this is 2AE, where E is the eccentricity of the ellipse. So we know this BD square is simply 2A times E whole square. And we know AB plus AD is 2A. So what we can do, we can square this. So it will become AB square plus AD square plus 2 times AB AD is equal to 4A square. This AB square plus AD square, this information we have from this, and this is equal to 4A square A square plus 2 times AB multiplied by AD product. We know this is 200, which is the area of the rectangle, so we can directly put this. So we have this equation, and if you cancel 4, then you have this equation, which is A square is equal to A square E square plus 100. And you can take this to the left hand side and you will have this is equal to this. So now we know in the ellipse this property, which is B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. So this is equal to B square and this is equal to 100. So from here you will get B value as 10. So we got B value as 10. So we know the equation of ellipse is this, and this B value we got as 10. So now we know one thing also, uh, the area of the ellipse is 200 pi. So we know the area of the ellipse we can express for this type of ellipse as pi times A times B. We know the circle area is pi r square. So similarly the ellipse area is pi times A times B. And this is given as 200 pi. So from here you know the B value as 10. So you will get A value as 20. So now you know A value as 20. And you also know this AB plus ED is 2 times A. So this AB plus AD is 2 times A, so 2 times 20, which is 40. So initially we have one rectangle which is A, B, C and D, and this AB plus AD value is 40 we got from here, and we know the perimeter of the rectangle is the summation of this plus this plus this plus this. So the perimeter of the rectangle is this AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. But we also know this AB is equal to DC and this BC is equal to AD in the rectangle. So if you simplify this, this will come like 2 times AB plus AD, and AB plus AD value we know it is 40. So this will come as 80. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 80, and this is equal to P, which is given in the problem. Like the perimeter of the rectangle is P, so we found out this P is equal to 80, and now we have to just multiply this 103.44 by 80, and you will get the final answer. So the final answer of this problem is this 8275.20. So this is the final answer, and in this way we can solve this.